In front of me is OnePlus Pad Lite LTE, and today I would like to show you how you can delete Google search bar from home screen. If you want to make sure you will remove your search bar and it will stay gone until you decide to restore it, all you need to do is hold it and wait for the pop-up to show. This pop-up here. Now you need to select it and hit remove button in remove this widget pop-up to confirm your choice. So when I do that, my Google search bar was successfully deleted. If you decided to restore it, you can always pinch your device's display and click on widgets at the bottom in the middle. Scroll to find Google app. And now when you find search bar widget, click on it, hold it, and drag it to the perfect place. When you finished, let go and hit done at the top right corner. Now to scale it, hold it, and then adjust it by dragging those dots on the right and on the left. When you finished, click on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!